Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Today we're going to show you a skin refreshing facial and ear care treatment that'll thoroughly wash away all those impurities, leaving the skin feeling completely revived. Step 1. Gently cleanse the skin. Extractions. Here we take the time to clear pores clogged with dead skin cells, excess oil, and debris. A soothing jelly mask is applied following extractions to help calm the skin, reduce redness, and heal blemishes. Our refreshing pick-me-up facial is complete. The ideal skin booster that leaves the skin absolutely glowing. Now, let's move on to the ear care treatment. Step 1. Let's start cleaning the ear, and then we will apply an enzyme gel to help exfoliate and remove dead skin. Like the face, our ears also get clogged with impurities, so we use a comedone extractor to help remove any blockages. Lastly, a soothing jelly mask is applied. Extractions aren't a one-time kind of thing. We recommend getting professional extractions done every 4 to 6 weeks to keep your pores clean and clear.